Hello students, Assalamu alaikum. This is Laiba Tariq, your biology instructor from tutoria.pk. Today we are discussing the exercise of your chapter. Let's start with the MCQs. So the first MCQ is, which is one group of organisms that is able to fix atmospheric nitrogen in the form of usable by living organisms? पहला ऑप्शन है plants, then we have the fungi, insect and bacteria. The right option है option D, bacteria. Question 2 है producers of an ecosystem are autotrophs, absorptive heterotrophs, injective heterotrophs या heterotrophs. So we all know that producers are always the autotrophs. Question 3 है a population carrying capacity can be accurately calculated, generally remain the constant over time, may change as the environment change, can never be exceeded. The right option is option C, may change as the environment change. Question 4 है which of the following is also called the greenhouse effect? Option A, ozone layer depletion. Option B, global warming. Option C, acid rain. Option D, all of them. The right option is option D, all of them. Question 5 है ozone layer is found in troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere या thermosphere. The right option is option B, stratosphere. Question 6 है the main cause of the recent increase in the amount of carbon dioxide in the Earth's atmosphere. तो option A है increase worldwide primary production. Option B, increase worldwide standing crop biomass. Option C है the rapid growing of human population. Option D है the burning of the large amount of fossil fuel. The right option है option D, the burning of large amount of fossil fuel. Question 7 है which of these ecosystem has the lowest net primary production per square meter? Option A, salt marsh. Option B, open ocean. Option C, coastal reef. Option D, grassland. The right option is option B, and open ocean. Question 8 है which of the following is the graphical representation of the ecological data of an ecosystem? Option A, pyramid. B, succession. C, niche. Option D, habitat. The right option is option B, succession. Question 9 है which of the level of the ecological study involves the both abiotic and biotic component? Option A, organisms. Option B, population. Option C, ecosystem. Option D, conservation ecology. The right option is option A, organism. Question 10 है why are the ecosystem dependent on the continuous supply of solar energy? Option A, carnivore has great biomass than producers. Option B, decomposer produce the greatest amount of energy in an ecosystem. Option C, energy transformation result in the loss of the energy into the environment. Option D, energy cycle within and between the ecosystem. The right option is option C, energy transformation. Question 11 है nutrient cycle always involve rock as reservoir. B, movement of nutrients through the biotic community. C, atmosphere as an exchangeable pool. D, the loss of nutrients from the biosphere. The right option is option B, movement of nutrients through biotic community. Question 12 है how do nitrogen fixing bacteria contribute to the nitrogen cycle? Option A, return nitrogen to the atmosphere. Option B, change ammonia to nitrate. Option C, change nitrogen to ammonia. Option D, absorb the nitrate from the soil. The right option is option B, change ammonia to nitrate. इसके साथ ही हमारे MCQs complete हुए. In the next video we will discuss the short answers of this chapter.